Hello. It's me. You don't recognize me? Why? What's different? Something different? Do I look, I don't know, richer, more successful, anything like, any of those sorts of things? Do I look, like perhaps I've gained a little self-confidence? Do I look like a person who's made, let's see, like more than one appointment to leave the house this week? Huh? Is that what okay, perhaps, okay. Am I getting warm? Let's see. Yeah, no, okay, do I look like that bitch, really? Okay. Yeah, good, finally, okay. Finally we arrive at the place of the truth. So, today was a major day in the history of Luxury Jones Enterprises. Okay, so I had a goal today. I did not meet that goal. That particular goal originally was to take my sewing machine into the repair shop for a tune-up, just a tune-up, because, well, first of all, let's just shout out right now to Tanner Sewing Machine in Westchester, because I won't take my machine anywhere else in all of Los Angeles. No downtown LA, no Ace, no, none of that for me. Just Tanner is the only one I trust with my machines. They're honest, and they're fair, and they're real people. I mean, that's what I need. Honest, it's like, just don't fuck with me, man. If I need to get the new thing, I'll do it. And if I don't, then tell me I don't, okay? So I was supposed to go there today, because, you ready? I accepted a job. A job outside of the house that is in an industry that I swore I would never work in again. Because, to be quite frank, the last several jobs that I have done in said industry nearly gave me a nervous breakdown. And it was their fault, not mine. Okay, so I am not, as I've said before, and I've said it to the types of people that hire me for that line of work, I'm the varsity team. I'm the varsity. I'm not JV anymore. I haven't been for a long time. So don't come at me like with this bullshit, So this person, out of the blue, because in this industry, it's just the way it works, is if one of us can't take a job, then we usually pass it on to give out the phone number of another tailor. And that happened. I got the text, and in this text message, it had every single detail about the entire job, days, hours, rate, location, everything. And I think my response was, because I'm just as frank, in real life as I am right now, you must understand, right? You know that. I said, wow, all of the information in the very first text, I think I'm in love. And they really appreciated that, because I guess they're the sort of person who also is an actual, business person and doesn't fuck around. And that's what I said. The person responded, the fact that you love that makes me, heart eye emoji, okay? So, we were friends right away, and then I wrote back, yeah, I don't fuck around when it comes to work. No? Anyone who's hiring for that type of job, listen to me. You know that I'm going to ask you all of those questions. I'm not going to do a job where I don't know the hours, the pay. I'm not going to just say yes. Like, no. Are you kidding me? And the kicker, the shortest hours, the most money and the easiest call times I've literally ever had in my entire career. So it makes no sense. This was like sent from heaven. I can't believe it. She made me an offer I couldn't refuse. So I did not refuse it. I said yes immediately. And we've been texting all day back and forth because she wrote again today and said, asked if I had any dietary restrictions or allergies. I said, no, ma'am. And then I realized, a few minutes later, I was like, oh God, pronouns like, or sir. This person actually has a completely gender neutral name anyways. So I have no idea who I'm talking to. And I was like, oh, yeah, forgive me, I forgot about, pronouns. And they wrote me back, and then we just had a chit chat. We started chit chatting about things. And we've been chit chatting all day. And we have tons of things in common. And I'm actually looking forward to meeting this person. Not to mention, this person is a co-owner of an agency for people who do what I do. I don't understand. It's just so bizarre. I can't believe it. Didn't expect to be in the game at all. So in any case, I got this text a few days ago, and I was supposed to, today's goal, Monday. I hate Mondays though. It's not because of Garfield. I used to not care about Mondays, and oddly, now that I have no job or reason to care about any day of the week, I, for some reason, just always kind of have anxiety on Monday. In any case, I digress. So I got this text a few days ago, and then I was like, I'm taking my machine and just get tuned up. Let's get ready to roll, because I'm out of the game. I haven't worked in that line of work certainly for 2 years. So I couldn't do it. I didn't wake up in time, and it was whatever. And there's also 4 other machines that I just want to take out there as well. So my goal then was to load up the car with the machines, which I did do. Then I spoke with another person in regards to website issues, technical, online presence, things that I am incapable of doing on my own. And this person gave me some really fantastic advice. And I feel like that was, I don't want to say resolved, but I'm on a path with that now again, where this person can just help me help myself, kind of teach me how to do some things that I don't know how to do. And, but that call was swimming. It went swimmingly. We communicated very well. It was clear. It was easy. I spoke with another customer service person. Who was it? I think it was at Shopify. And they were in Omaha, which I thought was so cute. No, it was someone at PayPal. Because my PayPal account has been stuck on French. French mode. All my emails from them come in French, and I don't know why. And I have not been able to change it. So finally I called, and this person was like, was there fraud, Did you think someone has hacked your account? And I was like, no, I'm totally and completely certain that my elbow or something just hit something, and it now is just speaking to me in French, and I can't figure it out. They changed it in 1 second. But Omaha, it's I've spoken to people just absolutely everywhere, and I'm gonna forever now ask my customer service people where they're located at, because it's really cool. It's a really cool feeling to just know we're all over the place, just doing our jobs. Okay, moving forward with the list of things that were accomplished. So, because I knew I was going to speak with this website person, I went into the places that you go to get, your domain names, and your web things are there, your ancient Shopify accounts that you just opened and closed because you didn't know how to work them, and, the GoDaddies, which, God, I hate that name so much. I hate it so much. I just wish that, that wasn't their name. What else can I say? That's just, the worst name ever. Especially even for that, but whatever. Okay, I digress on that. But, I own my domain for life, but I did need to upgrade my payment method because cards expire. Remember that, people. Remember. Don't forget that. It could have been a dangerous situation. And then, what else was there? It was really good stuff. Oh yeah, so that personal loan also really had helpful information, and I ended up getting not only LuxuryJones.com renewed for another 10 years, but Luxury Jones Enterprises as well. And we had a great laugh, her and I, trying to, upsell me, and then discussing her mother's issues with technology and mine and whatnot. And she upsold me on one product and not on another, and it worked out lovely. And then, okay, wait. There's more really, really imperative things. Oh, well, so not only, am I going to Westchester tomorrow, I have told, people that are holding me accountable to this. I called to make sure, the Tanners is ready for me. They're ready. I also made an appointment with let's just say my source, one of my connections, just to re-up on some super stellar vintage. Just because, I got plenty of merchandise, but I thought, let's just go for it, right? I ordered this white suit the other day off of Depop. It was an impulse buy. I felt really guilty afterwards because I should not be spending money at all. But, I can't say I regret it, because the fact of the matter is, it's a white suit. And, it's a white suit. Okay, so we've got that going for us. It's a men's suit. I like men's suits. It's a great straight trouser. Oh dear God, wait, sorry, I've misplaced the arm, where my arm goes. Okay, there we are. And it's this incredible brand that I love. Have you heard? You've heard? Come on, little light. Why is it, who set it on this? Who does this? Who's in charge of this thing? Just stay on. There you go, that's fine. Oh, it's a slow pulse. His. But also, I don't know if you know, they made his for her. That's one of my favorite labels. Anyways. So, and then I couldn't remember how to tie a tie, so I just said, fuck it, I like bows better anyways. But this has been Jesus Christ on a cross, one of the most productive days that I've had in a long time. I've also enlisted the help of my best friend and neighbor, Lori, because, and all this help I've been asking for, in my mind you always pay for help, and I'm going to pay, but it's you pay for services, people do services, and then also, but I realized I just sort of need someone to hold my hand a little bit through some of this, getting out of this hole, which is a weird thing to need as an adult, but it's left to my own devices, I just keep getting distracted, and I just don't do it, I can't stick to it, and I hate myself, and then it's the whole thing. And then handing it off to someone else, teaching someone else to do my complicated bullshit is just the most horrible thing to do to a person. And it's two jobs that we're doing two jobs, So I sort of was I think I just need to do it with someone. Just a couple of things, just a few things that will help dig out of the hole, And then, who knows? I talked to one of my great friends, Darren, today. About a creative project I want to work on with him, which I'm kind of excited to tell you about, but we'll get to that when we get to that, right? In any case, this is Miss Boss signing off for now. Don't worry. I'll be back.